I'm a soccer mom. Of course, hindi ako nangingialam sa pagre-referee. I'm a soccer mom.
Of course, hindi ako takot mainitan.
Ay, init!
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, kalmado lang ako.
Oh, no!
Kalma lang yon, kalma lang.
I am a soccer mom. Of course, hindi mawawala ang folding chair. I'm a soccer mom. Of course, tahimik ako. Rodrigo, press!
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, sunblock is life.
Oh.
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, bitbit ko pong bahay.
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, video is live. Go, Maki!
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, mas madalas, coach. Go, Lian! Sinain mo!
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, hindi mawawala ang ice bath and Pocari Sweat.
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, lagi ako may dalaglo.
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, full support pa rin kahit walang tulog. Go, kids! I'm a soccer mom. Of course, may timeline ako.
Oh, no!
I'm a soccer mom.
Of course. Laging handa. Laging may dalang power station. Oh, sinong lobo dyan? Pwede na.
I'm a soccer mom. Of course, lahat ng anak ko, soccer players.
Oh.
We are soccer moms. Of course, magaganda kami.
Isang dalagang Pilipino.
Ay, nakita kong isang babae. Di ko malimutan ang kanya imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita?